Hey everyone. Welcome back to Valley 4 Tech's channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful tip that will completely change the way you use Microsoft Edge. If you're a ChatGPT fan and want to make your browsing experience smoother, you're in the right place. We're going to show you how to set ChatGPT as your default search engine on Edge, instead of Bing. Sounds great, right? Let's get started. So, why would you want to set ChatGPT as your default search engine? Well, if you're someone who loves getting conversational answers to your queries, ChatGPT is the way to go. Instead of getting a list of links, you'll get a detailed, human-like response right away. It's perfect for quick questions, research, or just satisfying your curiosity. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here's how you can set ChatGPT as your default search engine on Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge, then enter the official OpenAI extension link in the address bar. I will leave you the extension link in the description below this video. Second, the link will take you to the extension page in the Chrome store. You can review the extension details, and make sure that the developer of the extension is OpenAI as shown here. Third, you will find a message at the top of the browser telling you that this extension works on Microsoft Edge. Just click on the Get Extension button. Then click on the Allow button. Then click on the Add Extension button. By default, the browser disables the extension as a security measure. So we will need to activate this extension manually. Just click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner of the browser, and from the menu that appears, click on the Extensions option. Then click on Manage Extensions. From the window that will appear, look for the ChatGPT Search extension, if you have multiple extensions. Then activate it by activating the slider button in front of the extension. That's it, the extension has been installed on the Edge browser, and it has also been activated. Now you can make sure that the ChatGPT search engine has been replaced instead of the Bing search engine with the Microsoft Edge browser. This is done by going to Settings, then clicking on the Privacy, Search, Services tab. Then scroll down until you reach the Services section. Then click on the Address Bar and Search option. Here you will find that the default search engine used is the ChatGPT Search extension. And that's it. From now on, whenever you search something in the address bar, it will go straight to ChatGPT. Let's test it out. I'll type in a quick question in the address bar. As you can see, it takes me straight to ChatGPT with my query already inputted. So convenient. And there you have it. Setting ChatGPT as your default search engine on Edge is a game changer. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in how you interact with information online. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.